You will not believe what this neighbor's doorbell camera caught on tape. A woman was just leaving her house for work when she noticed a tiny kitten, all alone, shivering by her front door. It was clearly scared and looking for help. She gently scooped up the little fur ball and brought it inside, away from the cold. She gave it some food and a warm blanket to snuggle in. The kitten, feeling safe and loved for the first time, immediately started purring and cuddling up to its new human. It's amazing how a simple act of kindness can completely change a life. This heartwarming rescue reminds us that there are still so many good people in the world. What would you have done in this situation? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.